Good morning, everyone. Before starting our topic, I request you to keep a textbook with you. Now, in class 6th, all of you learn how to interpret or read the bar graph and drawing a bar graph. So, today we will directly start exercise 3.3. All of you take out exercise 3.3, question number 1. So, in this question, all of you, first of all, read the question, use the bar graph to answer the following question. Now, this is the question. Now observe this bar graph carefully. Now here 1 centimeter equal to 2 animals are taken. Now the first question is, which is the most popular pet? So what will be your answer? Which is the most popular pet? Now all of you look at this graph. Here the bar of cats is more in length. So cat is the most popular pet. Now B, how many students have dog as a pet? So read from this here, dogs. 2, 4, 6, 8. So 8 students have dog as the pet. So all of you write down the answer here. Which is the most popular pet? Now exercise 3.3, question number 1. A. So what is the answer here? The most popular pet is cat. So the answer is cat. In the second part, how many students have dog as a pet? So 8 students have dog as a pet. Now let's start question number 2. Now again all of you observe figure 3.4. So in this case, read the bar graph which shows the number of books sold by a bookshop during 5 consecutive years and answer the following question. And here the scale chosen is 1 centimeter equal to 100 books. Now the first part is about how many books were sold in 1989. Now all of you observe the graph, that is in 1989 how many books were sold. So here 100, and this bar comes just below 200. So we will approximately take it as 175. So for about 100 there are 75 books. So we take as in 1989 the books sold are 175. Then in 1990 the books sold were 475. 475. Then in 1992, see, in 1992, it comes just after 200. So it is nearer to 200 than 250. So we take it as 225. So in 1992, the books sold were 225. So about how many books were sold in 1989 and 1990? So just add them, you will get the answer. So I will write down the answer for this. That is, in first part, in 1989, 175 books were sold, and in 1990, the books sold were 475, and in 1992, the books sold are 225. Therefore, खरंच जीवावर येतं असं पकडायला. Therefore, total books sold in these 3 years, were 175 plus 475 plus 225, which is equal to 875 books were sold. Now the second part is, in which year were about 475 books sold and about 225 books sold. So here, first of all, observe the graph. 475 books were sold in 1990 and about 225, not exactly, they are near about, in 225 books were sold in 1992. So, and the third question is, in which years were fewer than 250 books sold? So observe the graph. Less than 250, it is 1992 and 1989. So in 1989 and 1992, fewer books were sold. Then, can you explain how would you estimate the number of books sold in 1989? See, all of you, here the scale is given, that is 1 centimeter equal to 100 books. So, and here in 1989, the books sold, so see the gap between 100 and 200, the bar comes nearer to 200. So we take it as 175, or you may take it as 180. Or so here in 1989, the books sold were 175. Like that we will calculate. So here the scale means here up to 100, it takes the distance of 1 centimeter, and from 100 onward it takes 0.75 centimeter. So the number of books sold in this year is 1.75 into 100, which is equal to 175 books. So here I will explain this. Question number second. All second and third you can solve it easily, but fourth one is some difficult. You find it difficult. So here, since the scale is 1 centimeter equal to 100 books, therefore in 1989 the scale is on vertical line, the scale is 1.75 centimeter, that is, it is 3/4. Since it is nearer to 200, so we take it as 3/4 of 1 centimeter. So our 3/4 of 1 centimeter. Therefore the books equal to 1.75 into 100, that is 17500, that is 175 books were sold in 1989. Okay.